Whatever boxes we have in there on top of each other, put the water that we're getting in here, whatever else we can fit.
Big wheels keep on turning, carry me home to see my kin, singing songs about the Southland. It's my Alabama once again, and I think it's a sin.
What time did you get in this morning?
5 a.m.
What is the story so far?
We heard about Dave on the internet. We found him. We were doing an assessment. We were going through Tuscaloosa. We just Googled him. We found David Miller. Here we are.
Fantastic.
My name is David Miller. Here in Birmingham, Alabama, Pratt City to be exact. And here we have Disaster Relief Distribution Center. What we're trying to do is just aid those. I stay here in Pratt City where the tornado hit, and thank God he spared our section of the neighborhood. Maybe a block up the street, it's totally gone. And so what we've decided to do, instead of just sitting there, we've got together with friends and family, neighbors, total strangers, and we're gonna help. We're making moves, and so me myself hooked up with the Good Life CDC, a nonprofit organization, and the Christian Service Mission, and we've been on it. I said that I would volunteer my house. I have nothing but my bathroom and my bedroom left to use for my own, but it's all right because, you know, God gave me the house and God gave me another house, and, you know, I'm just a servant. You know, I understand that one day you could be rich and the next day it could all be gone. You know what I'm saying? But it's all about being thankful and cherishing what you have, as well as reaching and help someone else. You know, a lot of times people are one side and they believe, well, if it doesn't happen to me, it don't matter. But what about when it does happen to you?
So right after the tornado, my son David opened his house up, moved his furniture back, and let everybody just came in, just donating different things in there. The first week, I think we passed out 60,000 thing of water. We take food out every day. Then we take baby supplies, female supplies, male supplies. We just take everything that we think that they need, even things for washing their clothes and everything. Then it's just a blessing that y'all came here to help us. I mean, this is awesome. This is just awesome.
That's what we're about, you know what I'm saying? And so if you want to reach us, you know what I'm saying, Disaster Relief Distribution Center, 512 Avenue Y, Birmingham, Alabama. David Miller, the Good Life CDC, the Christian Service Mission, and cando.org. God bless you guys. And that's what we're here to do. We're going to make it do what it do. God bless. Holla back. Appreciate it, bro. God bless you, man. I'm glad I met you guys. That's always, man. Good.